It is clear that because the difficulty is as far-flung as the billions of microchips that run everything from farm equipment to VCRs, this is not a challenge that is susceptible to a single government program or an easy fix. It is a complex test that requires us all to work together. Every government agency, every university, every hospital, every business, large and small.
Seconds. And we're going to count it down from here down when we get to 10. Are you ready? Happy New Year early. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2000!
Please stand by for an important message on station WXJ41. A civil emergency message has been issued for the entirety of Connecticut. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the state of Connecticut. Citizens across the state have reported that over the past 30 minutes, phone calls have not been sent or received, including ones made to 911 telephone line. If you have an emergency, please visit a local emergency service center such as a police station, fire station, or hospital. To repeat, calls being made and not being received, including ones made to the 911 hotline. If you have an emergency, please visit a local emergency service center such as a police station, fire station, or hospital. Remain tuned to a local news media source to remain up to date on the situation. We interrupt our programming for an immediate emergency bulletin. Urgent message from the Federal Aviation Administration and Georgia state authorities. Civilians have reported many plane crashes concentrated in the northern portion of the state of Georgia. Staff at the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport report that communications between flights and ground control have been failing and that navigation systems are being disrupted, causing planes to crash or attempt emergency landing. Plane navigation systems have been malfunctioning due to the inability of software in these systems to read dates ending in 2 zeros, an error known as the Y2K bug catalyzed by the turn of the Millennium. Due to this, many, although not all airports across the country have canceled flights. To protect yourself from falling aircraft, you should leave your home immediately. Indoors and unable to see the sky is the most dangerous place to be during this crisis. If a plane crashes on your home while you are indoors, you will become trapped and unable to get out. While you are outside, bring with you a handheld radio operated by batteries or solar power so you can receive updates on the situation. Wear many layers outside to protect yourself from cold temperatures. This has been an activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming operations will now resume shortly.
This message carries important information relating to an ongoing situation in the city of Bismarck. The Y2K bug, a malfunction in computer chips caused by the turn to the year 2000, has caused malfunctions in many home temperature control systems throughout the city. This, paired with inclement winter storm conditions, could be disastrous if proper precautions are not taken by the public. Please start bundling up in several layers of clothing and blankets to keep warm. Close windows to keep cold air out. Should someone in your household experience temperature-related illness, take them to the hospital. You will have to take them there yourself due to 911 calls being blocked. Please follow all precautions previously listed and remain safe.
We interrupt regularly scheduled programming for an emergency action notification message. This message has been transmitted to all stations throughout the United States by the federal government, the FCC, and the Department of Energy. If you are hearing this message, do not turn off your device. Listen to the following instructions carefully, as your life is in danger at the present moment. As many of you listening are aware, ever since the start of the new year, many disruptions in technology across the globe have been noticed by civilians and technicians alike. It has become apparent that despite our best efforts, the year 2000 problem has caused major malfunctions across computer systems throughout the country. Now, we are facing the repercussions. Phone calls being made won't reach their recipients. Thermostats don't function anymore. Planes and trains have lost their way. Life-saving tech in hospitals has been rendered unusable. All effects that have been disastrous for cities all across the United States. However, a new problem has made itself present. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has confirmed the descent of hundreds of thousands of spacecraft in near-Earth orbit due to navigational systems being affected by the Y2K bug. These satellites could fall towards any place at any time within the coming minutes. This poses a threat to the safety of everyone hearing this message, and the proper precautions should be taken immediately. Please follow these instructions.